Let's talk about feet. Cheryl asked, how do I keep my feet healthy walking that many miles a day? And also, did I get any blisters? So Cheryl, I'll start with the second point. Yes, I did get blisters. I got them on the outside of my feet and underneath my left pinky toe. It's kind of inevitable when you're not used to walking 20 plus miles a day, your feet suffer. But it comes back to your first point. What are we doing to make sure that we're looking after our feet on trail? And really, you're trying to minimize those blisters as much as possible. And that's from taking your shoes off whenever you're having a break, letting your feet and socks air out, to just making sure when you get in a tent at night that maybe you're using something like a wet wipe to try to get a little bit of the dirt off so that when you wake up the next morning, you are walking on healthy and clean feet. Now, early on in the desert, when there was a lot of dust, I was flipping my socks every single day. So at lunchtime, I'd move to a different pair. And then anytime we'd find a water source, I'd try to rinse off my socks so that I had a fresh pair, fresh-ish, going into the next day. And that seemed to help subside the blisters as I moved forward after the first week. And honestly, once I had a bit of a buildup of calluses on my feet, the blisters pretty well completely went away. But that still does not mean that we weren't looking after our feet as we continue to move forward. I still was rotating socks every single day, taking any opportunity I could, especially in dusty sections, to rinse them off.